Assalamualaikum. This is Nadia Faq.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Aisha Ali.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Arif Riaz.
Assalamualaikum, this is Makia Fareed.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ariba Aleem.
Assalamualaikum, this is Bassam Mushtaq.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muzam Ali.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Mohammad Mustafa.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Mohammad Bilal Abbas.
We are here to discuss some problems and solutions. So many workers जो घर से खाना लेकर ऑफिस जाते हैं उनका खाना ठंडा और फ्रेश नहीं रहता.
I will be discussing some problems with you which is related to travelers and tourists. So yeah, as you all know, if you're traveling, the biggest problem is about the food. That where you will be keeping up the food, where you will be storing up the food, or for example, if you're nearby the beach or nearby the lake, or for example if you're nearby on the mountains, so the main problem it gets up about the food. That where you will be getting the stove, or where you will be heating up the food, where you will be keeping up the food, and though it depends that what the food you will be getting, if it's healthy or not. So the main problem is about that.
Another problem is faced by students. Students get a limited time break in which they have to eat, pray, and do any other thing which they want to do. So it really gets difficult for the students to manage time because usually they get a 30 minutes break. In most of the universities, they get a 30 minutes break, and if the campus is big, so it might be really difficult for them to travel to a prayer area and then to a cafeteria.
इसलिए काफ़ी वर्कर्स रेस्टोरेंट से खाना मंगवाते हैं जो कि उनको एक्सपेंसिव पड़ता है.
Okay, so if you talk about the existing solutions, so as you all know that mostly the backpackers, the travelers, the tourists, they do carry something light that they could eat easily. They could just take it out from the bag and just unwrap it and they could eat. Could be a sandwich, could be crackers, chips, snacks, it could be like that. But the main thing is about that what unhealthy things they are getting up. They're getting into their body. So the big problem is that about getting things unhealthy, eating food which is unhealthy, which is mostly likely way to carry up.
The existing solution to this problem is usually students either skip their lunch break, they do not eat anything, or they eat something from the restaurants, which is usually fast food, and it is not good for the health at all. Or the other thing they do is they eat snacks, which is either chips, biscuit, and that is also not good for the health as well.
All these problems and only one solution, that is Easy Oven. Easy Oven brings the first compact personal portable device for heating food. The perfect device to replace the use of unhygienic microwaves. The goal of Easy Oven is to replace the inconvenience from life. Easy Oven's design is modern but basic. This device has 600 milliamperes per hour battery for heating purpose. Heating is done by Hita heating element with low power consumption. Easy Oven heating technology can make you to have fresh food anywhere, anytime, whether you are traveling, whether you are in office, and it consumes your low time. Its quick heating technology makes you save time in offices in short lunch breaks, that you can preheat your food and while doing your work.
Basically, this was the gap we found in the market, and we found the correct time to launch it, as if we all are conscious about our healthy lifestyle these days, mostly in the pandemic.
I would like to add, Easy Oven is designed and manufactured especially for solo travelers, tourists, students, office workers, commuters, athletes, gym freaks, and the list goes on. The world is moving so fast. People are getting smarter and tech savvy. People these days prefer something that deals in time management and is very cost effective. So this portable device will be a best fit for busy people for whom time is money. Also, according to the statistics, we can also see that nowadays people are very concerned about their health and they want hygienic food which is less contagious and less polluted. So these factors would give us benefit for our company and our product.
So everybody these days knows how important hygienic food is. So that's why our target marketing is getting bigger and better day by day.
First, we have a startup plan, startup cost. We calculate a startup cost that consists of minimum viable product and one unit that costs 700 PKR. Then rental cost, offices cost, sales and marketing cost. After that, employee salaries. So the one unit of Easy Oven is 700 PKR. After that, we calculate monthly expense, which were being around the space and stuff in the inventory, where unit store rent is 10,450, and the necessary equipment like स्टेशनरी आइटम्स, यूटिलिटीज़ बिल्स वगैरह एक्सेट्रा, ये सारी चीज़ें आने के बाद जो हमारी एक कॉस्ट पड़ेगी वो 20 to 25,000 के आसपास पड़ेगी. एंड द स्टार्टअप कॉस्ट वी हैव इज 2,97,450.
Now I'll tell you a little bit about financial plan of our product. In financial plan, we calculate break-even point and formulated income statement, balance sheet, gross profit margin. So finding all of these things, I'll tell you our gross profit margin of our product, that is Easy Oven. There is a simple formula to calculate gross profit margin, that is net sales minus cost of goods sold divided into net sales, then after multiply by 100 for percentage, and our gross profit margin is 33.33.
मैं इस अपने प्रोडक्ट की इनकम स्टेटमेंट ब्रीफ करना चाह रहा हूँ, जिस जो कि प्रोडक्ट हमारा जो है इंशाल्लाह ताला लॉन्ग लास्टिंग होगा और जिसके अंदर हमने 3 साल की इनकम स्टेटमेंट प्रोड्यूस की है, जिसमें पहले साल में हम 8.7, दूसरे साल में 9.2 और तीसरे साल में 10 के यूनिट्स प्रोड्यूस करेंगे इंशाल्लाह. उस हिसाब से हमारे रेवेन्यू जो जनरेट हुआ है और ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट जो जनरेट हुआ है वो इनकम स्टेटमेंट के अंदर मेंशन है. थैंक यू.
And I am here to explain the promotions about it. So what is promotion? Promotion is the main thing that flourish your business, and it helps to expand the business, and it helps to expand the business. Basically, promotion is the communication key way that attempts to influence the people or audience.
Initially, we will be selling our product via online, and our marketing will be done through social media platform.